Quiz: do you sell yourself to the customer? Sales is one of the most exciting professions. It is also one of the toughest professions. Selling to customers can be a real task. If by any chance you get a tough buyer, you will need all the training to sell to him, her. Let me ask you, do you sell yourself as a person of integrity and honesty to your buyers? Or you focus only on your product? Let me ask you one question: do you think that you bust the product only because of the value of the product? Or because your buyer believes in you and thinks that you will not sell anything bad to them? What do you think? Can you buy anything? Who is selling to you does affect you. Am I right? How to sell yourself to your buyer. Let us examine that. Do you come across as a person who knows the subject? Are you ready with all the answers, or always need time to refer back with the answer? Can you tell your buyer about the competitive products in as much detail as you can do for your product? Are you sure that your buyer is good for your customer, or you sell it to get only the commission or earn the salary? Do you know your regular buyer's habits? Do you know about their family and other personal details? Do you talk to your buyer as a hard-headed professional or as a friend who knows what is best? Do you come across as an honest person? What is the image of the company for which you are working? Are your promises of after-sales service are always fulfilled, or you forget the buyer after making the sale? Does your buyer believe your words? Does your buyer think that you are a person of character? If you can do that, you can raise your commissions to any limit.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.